Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Wait, wait. Oh my goodness. Dang, mate. Hi guys, Rhaze here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be doing my skincare routine video. Marami sa inyo nag-request na i-upload ko na yung updated skincare routine ko. I'm gonna show you guys clips of me applying some of the skincare products that I have in here. Yung iba sa inyo sinasabi na, oh my gosh, you have perfect skin. I do not have perfect skin at all. I am just lucky enough na hindi sensitive yung skin ko. I do get pimples monthly like this bad boy right here because it is or close to my time of the month. You know what I mean? And also, when it comes to my face, I make sure na I only use products that is for the face. Like, for example, soaps. I do not use body soap on my face. I used to do that though when I was young because I did not have any idea at all what I was doing. Pero nung nagkamalay na ako sa mga skincare na ganap na ganyan, I always make sure talaga na yung ginagamit ko sa face ko is pang face talaga. I start my skincare routine sa shower. So kapag naliligo ako, dun ko winawash yung face ko. And for facial wash, I use the Himalaya Herbals Clear Complexion Whitening Face Wash. Isa to sa mga cleansers na as in sobrang gentle niya sa skin. Hindi siya ganun kamabula, especially when I just use my fingers. But you guys, I have been using my Vanity Planet spin brush tool. Ganito yung itsura niya. I have the gray one and I just use the cleansing brush with it. So with this one, you need to have 4 AA batteries for it to work. And you will just press this button right here and then it will spin like that. And that's what I use to apply my cleanser. And with this, sobrang napapabula niya yung mga hindi ganun kamabula na cleanser like this one. And I actually really like. But if you don't have this, because tools like this can be really freaking expensive, you can use this bad boy right here. Now this one feels really nice on the face. Way better than how this one feels on the face. I just like using this because, you know, it spins and I feel expensive when I use this because it is expensive. But you guys, this one works so well as well. It's like silicone. I'm not sure if it's silicone though, but you know what I mean. Hindi siya bristles. And also, nakakatulong din siya na pabulain yung mga hindi gaanong mabula na cleanser like this one. Got this one from Singapore, but I'm pretty sure you can find this at Daiso kasi marami na ako nakita na Filipino YouTuber na meron nito and nakuha nila sa Daiso yung kanila. And this is not expensive at all. Less than 100 pesos. Daiso, 80, I think. Yeah. Sometimes, I use my Iwhite Facial Wash Whitening Vita. Ganito yung tube niya. This one works really nice as well. Yung consistency nito mas thick compared sa Himalaya. I also really like this. Same with Himalaya. Very gentle siya sa skin and nakakalinis talaga siya ng skin ko. And also, the big plus with this is mabibili mo siya sa sachet like this and it's really cute. It's really inexpensive. So after I clean my face and finish my shower, I then apply a moisturizer. For daytime moisturizer, I have been using, you guys, the Snow Skin Whitening Cream. I have this on my face right now with a powder. No BB cream, no CC cream, no foundation whatsoever on my face at all right now. Just this and then the powder over it. I've been using this for 3-4 days now and it reminds me so much of my Mary Kay CC cream. And you guys know how I love my Mary Kay CC cream. I featured it in my favorites video. I talked about it many times in my vlogs. It's just really good, but it is not a CC cream. This is like full-on skincare whitening cream and I can say it is working. Like, it definitely is lightening up my skin. Nagbe-blend siya sa skin mo, giving your skin that really nice luminous finish. Pero, hindi siya like in your face, oh my gosh, your face is way too light than your neck. No, it's working great for me so far. And yeah, before I have been using this, you guys know na the Iwhite Aqua Moisturizer is my favorite moisturizer. If you are starting up with your skincare and you don't want to splurge, I highly recommend you try out the Aqua Moisturizer Whitening Vita. It is really good. It blends in the skin really nicely and it's really inexpensive. Again, it comes with sachet like this na mabibili mo for 20 plus, I believe. Basta super inexpensive lang. And then for my sunscreen, a lot of you guys have been questioning me. A lot of you guys have been asking me what sunscreen do I use. I have the Neutrogina Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunscreen. This one has SPF 70. Now, I don't use this every day kasi as you guys know, hindi ako lumalabas every day. But I do use this kapag alam ko na may expose ako sa araw ng bonggang-bongga. And then after I apply my skin whitening cream, I do make sure na I apply din my Garnier Light Brightening Eye Roll-On. For me, it works. It did lighten up my under eye circle wrinkles. It is really handy. I really like that it has that really nice cooling effect under my eyes. And it's just fun to apply, you know. It has a roller ball and yeah, I really like this. I just want to say that my daytime and nighttime skincare routine is pretty much the same. I clean my face, I apply moisturizer, and I apply my brightening eye roll on. And then I use this Iwhite 2-Minute Whitening Miracle. So nung bago ko pa lang to na-receive, I use this 3 times a week. And you guys know that if you've been watching my vlogs, like meron nga akong schedule noon MWF. Pero na-change siya when I received this from Iwhite as well. This is their whitening pack. So I use this once every week na lang. Tapos ito din once every week. Ito yung peel-off mask nila. If i-compare ko tong dalawa, I would choose this over this kasi mas nagagandahan ako sa resulta nito. Mas clean yung feeling ng face ko kapag ito yung ginamit ko. This is wash off Ito peel-off mask siya. Masakit din to guys kasi you know, peel-off. Meron kang mga balahibo dyan na pag peel-off mo, masakit siya. This one, no pain and you really can see the results. I have a review on this. I will leave the link below. It's a review and demo on this. For me, this one really works as in naglalighten up naman talaga yung face mo. Yeah, if you're looking for a really nice exfoliating mask, I highly recommend you guys try this out because it's an Iwhite product, so that means it's not as expensive as other skincare products and it works. Now, for my blackheads, I really like using this clear nose. I have a review on it. I will leave the link below. This is the best nose pore strip I have ever tried. I got mine from Hermosa Shoppe. I will leave her links below. It comes with like the paper thingy, put over it and then you peel it off and it works talaga. If until now you're still looking for a blackhead remover that actually works, I highly recommend you try this out. It's only I think 120 pesos and I still have a lot in here so hindi siya madaling maubos, so it's definitely worth it. I highly recommend that. And then if I have waterproof makeup, like waterproof mascara, like the one that I have on right now, I mean all my mascaras are waterproof. If I wear mascara, I make sure na I remove it with my Celeteque Dermoscience Advanced Anti-Aging Cleansing Oil. It really removes waterproof makeup really well. Like wala ka talaga nakikitang bakas na waterproof mascara kapag ito yung ginagamit mo. You do not need a lot with this at all. Like lalagay ko siya sa palm ko, tapos nilalagay ko siya over my waterproof makeup, which is my mascara, and then it just helps remove the mascara. I do not have to rub it at all. As in gently massage my eyes lang talaga to remove the mascara and it just works really nice. I get this question a lot. What do I use on my lips? What lip balm do I use every single night before I go to bed? I use the Tokyo Milk dark lip balm. I got this from my Ipsy bag nung nasa US pa ako. You can get this at Sephora though, and we do have Sephora in the Philippines right now, so maybe you can get it at Sephora. I still have a lot and I have been using this for I don't know how many months now, and I use this as in every night talaga, you guys. Wala talagang paltos yan. And yeah, that's basically it for my skincare routine. Please do like this video if you enjoyed watching. Do not forget to subscribe if you're not yet already. I hope to see you in my next one. Do not forget, be good. Bye! Bang, right? Bang, right? I can't do this. I just can't. That my daytime and nighttime and you guys know how ang buhok. Ano ba yan? The first thing I do is clean. You can't see my snow skin. You just can't.